Hello and welcome to our in-depth TireBuddy tutorial showing you how to use the app and get the most out of all the functions that we provide to you. First things first, we want to tap anywhere into the screen to start the inspection. The first thing we want to do is we want to identify the vehicle, and here we've got different options via the license plate, VIN, a barcode, and other options as well, of course. And we can also capture the mileage. We're going to now do this via the license plate here. I'm going to move now to the license plate to show how that works. So we've got this button here that indicates a scanner. And if I tap on that button, it opens up the camera and a blue bounding box appears, which I'm now going to simply align with the license plate. And then it captures the license plate for me quite quickly. Then I hit continue and move back to the tire itself. And here we've got the mock-up of the car where we simply tap anywhere in the relevant field to start the sidewall scan. I'm going to tap and it's going to open up the camera, which I'm now going to align with the tire. We've got this overlay here. Now here, make sure that the camera is in a straight angle towards the tire, and that you get the full tire on there, that you don't cut it off by going in too close either. So make sure that you've got the full tire on there. Our algorithms then read out the make, the model, the tire size with the speed and the load index, as well as the age of the tire. And whilst this is happening, we can theoretically also move to the tread. But here, just to show you, we've got the make, Michelin, Cross Climate Plus, the model, and the age and the tire size. Now we continue by pressing the blue continue button, and it opens up the flashlight to show you, okay, now we're ready for the tire tread scan. For the tire tread scan, I'm going to move the phone and a gray grid appears. The gray grid should be on the outside because we're going to scan from the outside to the inside. And I'm going to switch it over because I need it here on this side. Now, I need to be in the right distance. This is shown via the green or orange. Orange obviously means I'm not in the right position. I'm in the right position here. I've got the gray grid, the white grid aligned with the shoulder of the tire. And we really want to make sure that we've got the straight surface of the tire here, that we're not scanning down below here, because that would mean distortions. And the same, we don't want to scan upwards, because that would also distort the results. So we really want to make sure that we've got a straight angle on the rubber and that we've only got the rubber in view. And then I simply tap and then move across the tire in a circular motion, in a slight arched motion, bend it back at the end, and that's it. This, of course, I then continue over the 4 tires, and at the end I get a full report showing the condition of the tire with all the relevant information that you need to upsell this to your customer and proof that they need new tires or relevant other upselling opportunities. Have fun testing and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.